In this video, how to fix the Windows Update service that cannot be stopped on Windows. I encountered this problem when I tried to stop the Windows Update service to clear the Windows Update software distribution folder. When the service is running, I cannot delete the contents of that folder. To solve this, let's open the Windows Task Manager. Go to the Services tab. Find the Windows Update service. Right-click on it, and then select Stop. As you can see, the Windows Update service has now been stopped. Now, we can clear the software distribution folder. Once finished, we can start the Windows Update service again. Check for updates, and the files and folders in the Update Distribution folder will be recreated automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.